In today's video, I am going to teach you remove white space between pages in Google Docs. If you've ever been distracted by those big gaps between pages while you are drafting or reviewing a document, this quick setting will give you a smooth, continuous canvas so you can focus on your content without breaks. Start by opening your Google Docs file. With your document on screen, head up to the File menu in the top left corner. This is where Google stores most of your document-wide controls, including layout options. Next, choose Page Setup. This is the control panel for how your document behaves, margins, orientation, and most importantly, for today, how pages are displayed. You'll see multiple tabs inside Page Setup. Click the Pageless tab at the top. Pageless is designed for uninterrupted writing and reading. Instead of splitting your document into individual sheets with gaps in between, it lets your content flow in one continuous stream. You'll notice that it removes those gray or white bands separating pages, which is perfect for long reports, notes, or drafts where the page boundary isn't important. In pageless mode, the width of the text can adapt to your window size, so wide tables and images often fit more naturally on screen. Some traditional page-based features, like headers, footers, and watermarks, don't appear the same way in pageless view because there aren't fixed pages. That's normal. This mode prioritizes a clean, scrollable editing experience. Once you are on the Pageless tab, click OK. Your document will immediately switch to a continuous layout. You'll know it worked the moment those gaps vanish and your content scrolls seamlessly from top to bottom. Nothing about your actual text changes. It's simply a different way of viewing and working with it. A quick note for peace of mind, even in pageless mode, your document is still print ready. When you choose to print or export, Google Docs will automatically paginate it for you based on standard page settings, so you won't lose structure when it matters. Collaboration features like comments, suggestions, and real-time editing work exactly the same, so teams can keep moving without interruption. That's all it takes. By switching to pageless, you create a distraction-free space that's great for writing, reviewing, and presenting content on screen. If your priority is clarity and flow while editing, this simple change makes a big difference. Thanks for watching.